Okay, so let's say on a rare occasion that one of your keys pops off your keyboards, of your laptop keyboard. Every laptop I've seen, the keys are three different parts. You got the actual key itself, and then these. Now, these have little indentations in them that have to line up. Got the little tabs right here that line up with those little tabs, and then that part there and that part there mesh up. So what you do, you get this part, that tab on the bottom, and you take this one and you make sure that tab is pointed downward toward this one. And then you just put that in there and push it together. It should be really easy to move back and forth like so. There's not really much of a range of motion, but you get the idea. And then put it back on the keyboard. You want to get this one okay, this is really not easy with a camera in my hands, but basically you want to get the black one underneath those two tabs and then just push down on this part until the white tabs go underneath those, and then you have this. Then with your key you also have a couple tabs. Okay, so got these two up here. They hook up to these two white tabs here, and then those snap in right there. So with a Dell keyboard, I've seen a couple different arrangements, but and that is totally absolutely the wrong key for this position, but alright, well, so we got a key in the right position now. So what you do, make sure that it works, make sure the key is in the right orientation, and you slip that part in first and snap it down. Press it a couple times, line it up, and there you go. The key's back in place. And it should work. So that's going to be my fun for the next probably half hour or so. Now here's the part that could be very potentially fun. Assuming you haven't totally annihilated the keyboard and trying to taking it apart and breaking all the connectors off and everything else in between. For the people who don't know their keyboard layout and have to look at their keyboard to type, change it up a little bit and mess with them. I don't know, put the wrong keys in the wrong place. Granted, it wouldn't affect me, because I hardly ever look at it anyway, but it would probably take me a couple minutes before I even notice something out of whack. It's just something to potentially play with. Mess with the minds of someone. But now I'm going to start putting keys back on, so let's get to it.